Accepting credit cards at your business is a must these days, but finding the right merchant processor can be a challenge. That's where National Bank Card comes in. First, we give you options and free equipment to get started. If you own a retail business or restaurant, we'll give you a free credit card machine pre-programmed and ready to go out of the box. If you take cards online, we'll give you a free virtual terminal and shopping cart for your website. Make sales on the go? We'll give you a free swiper for your smartphone to process transactions wherever you are. Need an affordable iPad POS system with a cash register and printer? We've got you covered there too, with solutions from ShopKeep and POS Lavu. Second, we make processing less expensive, bringing you wholesale rates just like Walmart and Target enjoy. Plus, next day funding so you get your money faster. No cancellation fees, online reporting, and award-winning support around the clock. Join over 100,000 satisfied merchants across the U.S., including some of the country's most successful brands.